today we have 23.7 hours to go to Little Tokyo, Chinatown, Olvera Street, Koreatown, and Little Persia.
And the only things that we're taking with us are you guys and this magical suitcase along with us on the journey. All right, let's go.
I don't think we need that.
Oh, I disagree.
Our favorite. You see that photo booth thing? We see that all the time in Japan. Obviously, they don't really take care of it as much out here in LA, but in Japan, they take care of it really well. It's very clean, it's fun.
So right next to me here is the anime shop Jungle. I've come in here so many times to buy a bunch of different anime. They have really reasonable prices on manga and anime stuff.
So this area here where we're at is a bunch of like little shops, and then upstairs of this plaza here is where all the restaurants is at. This is where the karaoke place used to be. I don't remember the name of it back then, but it became a place now. I used to come here a lot when I was a kid with my family. A lot has changed. We're gonna see if there's gonna be that bakery shop that used to be in that plaza, Honda Plaza. It may not be there anymore.
This is usually a nighttime area. That's why it's pretty empty right now.
Right there across is Sushi-gen, where my family and I used to frequent. Great for dinner. It's probably like the best sushi in this area. A lot of them are now in like Torrance, West Side area, but this is one of the few that's still left.
This ramen spot is very popular.
That metro station's been in construction for many years now, so it looks like it's almost done. And this is the Japanese American Museum, mostly about the encampment stuff, so it's a little bit depressing. But if you want to learn a bit more about history, about the Japanese Americans, that's a place to go.
You're not gonna show them the coolest part about it?
I don't want to touch it. COVID.
Strength.
COVID.
Strong boy.
Look what we found. Never seen it before, and I've lived here all my life.
I've seen it before.
I have not. Next spot, we're going to show you the bar I used to go every week with my friends.
You see that line there? That's one of the better ramen shops people are lining up for.
Been there only a few times because I'm always too lazy to wait. Can I just have the strawberry daifuku? Just one? Yeah.
That's where I thought you would be.
Yeah, I just love mochi so much. So figure about a strawberry daifuku. Inside has red beans in it. And top just a strawberry.
Yeah, that's our favorite.
It's only $2. Welcome to Chinatown in LA. I used to come here a lot when I was a kid with my parents. What I was going to say earlier was I used to come here a lot with my mom, my sister, my family. There used to be a lot of mom and pop's Chinese stores that we used to go to.
I used to come here for Chinese food all the time back in the day, but not anymore.
There really isn't any left that I know of.
Yeah.
We used to go to Broadway a lot where we buy like clothing and groceries and like herbal stuff as well back in the day anyways. Let's see if it's still even there anymore. We used to come here and buy bakery stuff too when we were kids. 25, 30 years ago when I was like yay big. Most of the locals here has left and moved out to the San Gabriel valleys and further out east. Some of them are still left, obviously, but not really too many. Mochi made me very, very thirsty. Can I please have some of that water?
Yes. Let me reach into my magical bag.
Okay.
How about something like this? A little thirsty?
A bit too much?
Well, here you go. This is all we got.
Oh, okay. Cool. Now we're gonna head to the next stop, which will be Olvera Street.
All right, guys, so we just arrived at our next stop. I've never been here before. V has been a bunch of times.
Yeah, I've been probably like 5 times. And my college used to be not too far from here.
Uh-huh.
And we used to come here, because I used to work here a lot too back in the day. This is the main square the gazebo is at. They usually have events, whatnot, but not today.
All right, we are done with downtown LA. We're now gonna head over to Koreatown. See you guys there.
Hey, Will.
Yeah.
I would like to get like a embroidered Mexican style dress.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I wonder where I can find that.
Magical suitcase to the rescue.
Oh my god.
Abracadabra. Something like this?
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Sweet.
Nice.
Here we are in Koreatown. I'm gonna walk around a little bit and show you guys a bit more. Really only here to eat and your salon, an H Mart that we just walked by, coffee shops. That's really it.
Apartments.
Apartments, tons of it.
So there's like a lot of Korean barbecues and stuff like that around here. V and I don't usually like places that make you cook your own food for dinner, but if that's something that you guys like, this has a lot of that. So unlike those other cultural spots that we're going to show you in LA, Koreatown's the largest, I would say, of all 5.
Can you show me what's in your suitcase already?
You want to see the essentials?
Yeah.
There you go.
What the heck? That's your essentials, huh?
What else would you need other than those things?
Hey guys, we made it to Little Persia. Show you guys around and get some ice cream.
I've never been to Little Persia before. V has. My first impressions of the place is that it's nice. It's not very big. There's
very
only
small.
like a couple blocks worth of shops, but
Restaurants, shops. There's a bookstore around. Yeah. So we're gonna go and find the ice cream. I'll show you a little bit of that.
rose water ice cream apparently.
Yes. 2 scoops in a cup. Yeah.
What'd you end up getting?
So this is his most popular flavor is the rose water and pistachio. Oh, I already made a mess. Whoa, it's yum yum. So it's like a little bit sweet and salty.
Let's give it a try. Interesting. It does have a little bit of a floral taste to it.
Yeah. It's quickly melting too because it's like 90 degrees right now.
All right, we just finished the ice cream and now we're gonna head back home. I hope some of the spots that you guys saw you enjoyed, and we'll see you back at the house.
I still think the suitcase is unnecessary.
Well, we still used a lot of stuff from it, so I disagree.
We showed you guys a lot of the spots around LA. That's just some of them. It's not really all of them.
As people that grew up in Black and Hispanic communities, it saddens us to see people confined to little areas within LA.
We're all about like experience different cultures and trying different things. You can literally get that within driving distance in LA County.
If you do have pockets like this in your own hometown, we would highly suggest going out and venturing to those spots and going to try as much food and variety that you can.
Definitely try out different restaurants. If you're not too familiar with certain areas, just go for it. Like, who cares? Get out of that comfort zone, you know?
Well, we hope you guys like this video. We got more coming out every Friday and then shorts on Monday, so check those out. And we will see you guys on the next video. Bye.